Flanked by Aam Aadmi Party leaders, Arvind Kejriwal met Election Commission officials. He's had a meeting with them. Ashutosh and Ashish Khaitan were with him, and Arvind Kejriwal now says all their doubts and questions regarding the electronic voting machine and the feared fraud have been addressed. Arvind Kejriwal had demanded that the Aam Aadmi Party be permitted to put up posters and banners across all the voting offices in Delhi, polling stations in Delhi, to prevent a fraud. Let's listen into Arvind Kejriwal.
उन्होंने हमारे सारे डाउट्स पूरे किए और उन्होंने ये आश्वासन दिया है कि जनता के मन में भी अगर कोई डाउट्स हैं इलेक्शन कमीशन वो सभी कदम उठाएगा जो उन्हें उठाने की ज़रूरत है ताकि ये जो चुनाव है ये फ्री और फेयर हो सके। उन्होंने कहा कि मशीनों को लेके जो भी संदेह है मशीनों को टैंपर बिल्कुल नहीं किया जा सकता उन्होंने कहा, और कुछ टेक्निकल ऑब्जेक्शंस हो सकती हैं वो तो कहीं भी पॉसिबल है, कुछ फिज़िकल डैमेज हो सकते हैं मशीनों को और ऐसी मशीनों को चेंज किया जा रहा है और जितनी भी मशीनें हैं उनको सबको दुरुस्त किया जाएगा और उनको सबको चुनाव जो है वो किसी को भी इस बारे में शंका और संदेह नहीं होना चाहिए कि कुछ भी उसमें।
So the Election Commission has told Arvind Kejriwal electronic voting machines are tamper-proof. He has no reason to be concerned. Let me bring in Smita Sharma, who joins me with the latest. Smita, is Arvind Kejriwal still insisting on his demand that the Aam Aadmi Party be permitted to put up posters and banners across polling stations, or is he now satisfied?
Well, as of now, what he said was that he has been assured by the Election Commission of India that all adequate steps really would be taken, because remember, last week also one of the Aam Aadmi Party delegations had a similar meeting here at the Election Commission, and where they had asked that, put up banners outside all, in fact, voting, polling booths, specifically mentioning the instructions that voters should keep in mind to ensure, that the EVMs are not really tampered with, that there should be that beep sound, that a light glowing, and the Election Commission had said that they would, of course, be involved in that campaign process and, in making people aware really about EVMs just a day ahead of, in fact, the final polling, which is on 7th of February, that they will put out banners. But clearly, Arvind Kejriwal, who has been raising this issue through Twitter, he came and met the Chief Election Commissioner, Mr. Brahma, today. Somewhere, they're upbeat also by all these opinion survey poll results that have been coming out across the media houses, but also perhaps preparing ground that just in case, if required, if numbers don't go the way they want, then they should have, of course, one reason also to come back to Gaurav.